What's up, everybody? Welcome back. If you're a subscriber, if you're new, welcome. So today, guys, if you are a traditional crypto holder, you must be feeling pretty good. Bitcoin right now is trading above 41,000, and Ethereum, as you just saw, is trading over 3,000 US dollars. So I actually got a text from one of my friends, the guy, I try to tell him to basically don't pay attention to the day-to-day price action, because I find that he's very emotional when it comes to this kind of I find he's kind of emotional when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. And he's been in this for over a year now, but every time we have a big dump, he's texting me, "Oh my God, red day." I can just tell that he's feeling kind of anxious. But on green days, like yesterday, we had a nice little pump with Ethereum and Bitcoin up over 12% or something like that. He's like, "Oh, crypto is looking very good." And I try to tell him, "Hey, man, I don't know what your time horizon is, but all this price action to me is just noise to me, because I don't even pay attention to the price action these days, to be honest." Yeah, so right now Bitcoin is above 41,000, Ethereum is over $3,000 US, which is kind of crazy because earlier this week we got a lot of bearish sentiment in the market. In fact, let me check what the fear and greed index is right now. So the crypto fear and greed index right now is at a 37. So we are in the fear territory, so we're not in the extreme fear territory anymore. I mean, just like a couple of weeks ago, we actually went down to as low as 11, I think. Let me see here. Last month, Last month, we had extreme fear, as you can see right there. Whoops, you guys can't even see because my head's in the way or it's off the screen. So last month, we had extreme fear. Last week, we had fear. But I mean, not even that long ago, I remember I saw the crypto fear and greed index went down to as low as 11. And that, I think, yeah, that was when Bitcoin hit 33,000 or went just slightly below 33,000, right? Yeah, Alex Becker is feeling pretty confident, or he's feeling bullish if we reach 43,000. So past 41 is a big move. It's time to pull out that list of Metaverse coins that are still in the dumpster. 43K is what I'm pretty confident. All right, so the name / FOMO of this next surge will be meta/game. So coming from a guy who specializes in gaming cryptos and NFTs, not surprised that's the sentiment, or that's the opinion that he has. Now, when it comes to me, I like to watch other YouTube content creators to see what their opinions are of the market. And meet Kevin here. He was very bearish, actually, like earlier this week. In fact, it got to the point where he had a lot of hate comments. He actually disabled his comments. So people were hating on him for being very bearish. And then all of a sudden, just recently, he just posted this video saying, "Holy shit, I could be wrong about the stock market." And also, he just re-enabled his comment section as well, so people are allowed to comment on his videos. And Graham Stephan posted a video saying the bull market of 2022, did we just hit bottom? So, I mean, a lot of these content creators, I'm finding they're starting to feel kind of bullish. Now, like I said earlier, is no one really knows the direction where the market's going, right? But there is one thing I'll say, is that when there's a lot of people that are feeling bearish, or if they're feeling one particular way, like back in November, December, where everyone was following what Plan B said, that we'll hit 100,000 Bitcoin and 135,000 Bitcoin in December, right? The whole market just lost their shit and just aped in completely. But what happened was that the market was basically tanking at that point, right? And when Bitcoin hit 33,000 or slightly below it just like a couple of weeks ago, how long? It wasn't even that long ago. People were calling for 20,000, right? Price targets of 20,000 and stuff like that. So, and now we had a nice little bounce. Now, I don't know how high up we're going to continue going, whether this is a dead cat bounce or not. But people are starting to feel kind of bullish right now, which you got to take some caution with that, right? Now, since Bitcoin is above 41,000, Ethereum is now up to over 3,000. Let's see how NFTs are doing. Okay, so looking at the NFT market is no surprise, since that Ethereum is now over 3,000. A lot of the NFT collections are really down in their floor price. So if you watched my last video where I was warning you guys, hey, when we're entering what I felt like was NFT euphoria, that is the time to start taking profits, okay? So Azuki, remember Azuki was, I think it hit as high as 18 ETH or something. Now it's down to 9.84 ETH, as you can see. Bored Ape Yacht Club, surprisingly, is still over 100 ETH. CloneX, I believe there was some kind of airdrop to CloneX holders. So they're a little bit down to 13 ETH, but I still find that's ridiculously high. The Hate Beast, they just had a reveal, so now they're just dumped down to around 5 ETH. Mutant Ape Yacht Club, still holding around 21 ETH. What else do we have here? I don't know why my throat is feeling a little ticklish there. What do we? We have a new project, Karafuru. I don't know how you pronounce it. Furu? But they're at 4 ETH. Have they revealed their mints yet? No, they have not revealed yet. So this is a new project. I've heard about them. Don't know too much about them, but right now they're trading at around 4 ETH. Doodles right now around 13 ETH, still pretty damn high in my opinion. Not saying it's gonna dump, but I mean, if Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to pump, guys, a lot of these floor prices will drop. Cool Cats just slightly, basically around 11 ETH. Super Plastic, Super Gucci. Yes, this just came out earlier this week. Floor price right now is 10 ETH. Sandbox. I've been keeping my eye on the Sandbox. I've been meaning to try and buy a plot of land in the Sandbox. So floor price right now is 3.9. You guys can't even see it since my head was in the way. What else do we have here? Rug Radio Genesis NFT. This thing I think went up as high as 1.65 ETH. One of my friends who I just recently got him into crypto, he actually minted a Rug Radio membership pass, right? And he was able to mint the Genesis NFT. So I'm very happy for him to actually make some money here in the NFT space. He's been making some good gains. He minted a Catalina whale mixer. Is that a Catalina whale on Solana for like 1 Solana? I think that thing's up to like 10 Solana, over 10 Solana now. So that's like a 10x on his money there. So I'm happy for the guy. I mean, the guy's only been around here for 2 months in the NFT space, and he's already making gains. So I'm really happy for him because he has been having some financial problems and issues. So I'm happy for the guy that he's actually making some gains. Cool Pets, they're dumping right now down to 2 ETH, and still they're allow lists. People on the allow list will be able to mint on Monday. So expect more supply because this is going to be a 20,000 collection, 20,000 item collection. And so we still got some Cool Cat holders that has not claimed their Cool Pets NFT. So I don't know. It's going to be very hard to see what the floor price of these Cool Pets NFT will be. And also, you never know what the state of the rest of the crypto market is going to be, whether Ethereum continues pumping. Because if Ethereum continues pumping, a lot of these NFT floor prices will go down the drain. So keep that in mind. Like I said in my last video, remember, if you're up, a nice amount on your NFTs, consider taking profits because you can definitely see some people in Azuki has definitely taken profits because Azuki is down like basically 50% since the last time I made a video here. CloneX is down a little bit, but it's not too bad. Doodles, I think was at 16 ETH, now it's down to 13 ETH. So, yeah, I mean, it's very possible Ethereum and Bitcoin could have a retracement down, and then NFTs might be able to, their floor prices might go up in value. It's hard for me to say. I mean, it's like I said, everyone that claims to know where this market is going, don't believe them because really no one can predict the direction of this market, right? And just keep in mind that when there's a lot of people that are very bullish, then typically it usually doesn't end up that way. And if there's a lot of people that are bearish, then usually that could signal a bottom, right? So just keep that in mind. That's just some something that I have observed from being in the markets for the last couple years. So yeah, like when people are very bullish, then usually that could be a top signal. And when people are super bearish, when everyone's bearish, then that usually is a bottom signal. So definitely look at the sentiment of the market. Look at the sentiment of the rest of the people that are in the market, basically. So Alex Becker, this is what he has to say for the Doge pound. To be frank, Dogepound has been one of the most stable and most worked on projects in all of NFTs with tons of airdrops. To think I minted 100 plus because I was on a Doge kick to make Bitcoin people mad. And he was referring to what the Journey Club did with the Dogepound. They basically swept up the floor, buying a shit ton of Dogepounds. And that definitely has pumped up the price. I think the Dogepound floor price was around 1.75 ETH. It did go up to as high as 2.33 ETH, or somewhere around that price. But now it has retraced down because a lot of it has to do with Ethereum pumping, in my opinion. So nothing to worry about. Next project, the Evaverse, my darling, the Evaverse. So the Evaverse has retraced quite a bit. I mean, this is normal. It went up to as high as 0.4 ETH. Now it's down to 0.239 ETH. So if you are looking to get into the Evaverse, this could be a good chance for you to jump in. So floor price for the Evaverse right now, 0.239. We are getting close to 1,000 Ethereum volume traded. That is a number I would love to see us hit. And we are so close to that. Let me see what the floor price of the other rarities. So like I say, there are 3 different rarity types in the Evaverse. So rarity, we got the Arrivals, which floor price is 0.239. We got the Zenith. Floor price right now is 0.87. And then we got the Celestial. Celestials right now, I'm trying to actually grab a Celestial myself right now. So about the same as the last time I made a video. They're sitting around 2 ETH. Let me see the Celestial here. I'm trying to grab a Celestial myself. I don't know why I'm speaking with an accent. But I am trying to grab a Celestial myself. Let me see what the levels is on this guy. So the Prestige right now for this guy is a 96.72. So pretty high Prestige. That would be my highest Prestige Evaverse first arrival if I end up getting this guy. Yeah, so with regards to the Evaverse, they did release a new racetrack just yesterday. And they do have something going on with, if you guys do end up racing in the Evaverse, it doesn't matter if it's on the new racetrack or on the original racetrack, but you will be able to experience 2 times hoverboard experience points by racing. They say racing on the new track, but you are able to get double the XP on the original track as well. But what I find is that a lot of people actually, this morning when I was racing in the Evaverse, a lot of people actually were racing on the original track as opposed to the new racetrack, because I think what's going on is that the new racetrack, and I'm going to show you guys the footage, or I'm actually going to maybe do a quick gameplay of the new racetrack a little bit later on. But the new racetrack is ridiculously hard. It's ridiculously hard. Actually, you can see a little bit of it going on right now, but it's actually pretty tricky. And I think people are just more comfortable with the original racetrack where they can still experience double the XP points, right? So hopefully you guys can hear me. And hopefully the video won't be too laggy since I have the recording software open as well as a video game open as well. So right now we are at the new racetrack, and let me see. Hold on here. First thing I like to check if there's actually a lot of people in this server here. So right now you can see there's a lot of people in server 4. I believe that's the original track, right? So I have to disconnect myself first. Go to server 4. Actually, you guys can't even see how many people. Yeah, you see that? 23 at 32. So there's 23 people in server 4. So let me see what server this is.
And so his salary is much less than what he could potentially make.
Okay.
Playing active.
So you can see server 4 was the original racetrack. So you can definitely see there's a lot more people racing on the original track right now as opposed to the new racetrack. And like I said earlier, I think the reason why is that people are just more comfortable with the original racetrack, and you know the racetrack on the people are just more comfortable on the original racetrack, so they rather get their double experience points there, and also it's quicker to complete that racetrack as well, as opposed to the newer racetrack, which involves more time to finish. So people are going into the old racetrack. But let's go to the new racetrack just to show you guys the gameplay and just to show you how terrible I am at it. Awesome. So racing begins in 26 seconds. So let me get myself sorted out here. I need to join the race. Hello there. You're a Zenith, aren't you? And then I got to decide. Oh shit. This is not the hoverboard I wanted to go with. This is my speedy hoverboard. I want one with good handling. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh god. Oh my god, I'm not even warmed up here. We're gonna go right into it. Just run into that. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. So you can see it's a little bit difficult with the checkpoints. The checkpoints are moving. And if you do miss a checkpoint, then obviously you can't finish the race. So it's very important to go through and hit those checkpoints. Even though they're moving, it's a little bit difficult. There we go, we got that one. There we go. We got some stepping stones. Boom. Going off the ramp, checkpoint again. Another ramp with the booster. Let's get that boost, baby. Oh, I missed it. Okay, now this is one spot where I keep falling off. Ah! See, when you fall off, you have to start over again. Oh, there we go. I missed that one again. This is the one that I hate, man. It got so frustrating. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. I haven't fallen off. There we go. Perfect. But you see, if you keep falling off, you have to start over again. And that is one thing I absolutely hated. And there were times where I just couldn't finish the race in time because after like 3 minutes and something, they actually end the race and then you actually don't even get experience points. And I better finish this thing under 3 minutes, otherwise I won't get any experience points. Somebody just finished. Wow. Believe it or not, my best time was 1 minute and 54 seconds. It's just that I am not warmed up right now, guys. Alright, here we go. Alright, these moving checkpoints. You gotta be careful not to fall off. Because when you fall off, they do bring you back to a previous point in the race. Oh! Damn it. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, not too bad. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Not very good. But we do get double experience points there. I'm trying to level up this board. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Hopefully we can get a better time this time. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh! Doing much better this time.
I'm getting a split on you wearing it, but I'll get you more tokens than without one.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, we're doing much better this time. There we go.
Tickets, I should say.
Alright. Oh no, I missed the stepping stone there, so I have to start over again. Oh no, again? Oh, I was doing so well. Alright, here we go. Not too bad, there we go. Another checkpoint. I don't know what happened there, I didn't jump in time. Oh, here we go. Oh, that wasn't so bad. There we go. I didn't fall off that time. Come on. Boost it up, baby. There we go. Alright, there we go. Okay, we're doing a lot better than we did in the first time trial, I guess. Here we go. Alright. Got that. Let's see if I can get under 2 minutes, man. Oh no, I missed that one. See, this is the thing. You gotta be careful not to miss these checkpoints. And I just fell off. Ah, I think I could have made it under 2 minutes there had I not missed that checkpoint. All right, we got another checkpoint here. Oh God. Damn it. Come on, come on, come on. Well, at least we finished third because there's barely anybody in this server right now. So yeah, guys, that is the new racetrack. As you can see, it is a lot more difficult compared to the original racetrack. And you can definitely see why people are now more like geared towards racing on the original racetrack to get their double experience points, right? Because this new racetrack does require a little bit more time. My best time on the original racetrack was 1 minute and 19 seconds. I actually broke the 120 barrier mark. But on the new racetrack, of course, I haven't raced that much on it. My best time was 1 minute and 54 seconds. But obviously on camera, you saw there, it was actually pretty bad. It was over 2 minutes. But yes. All right. I think I'll leave the video at that, guys. Just want to do a quick market update. So at this point, guys, my thoughts are I kind of want NFT season to continue moving forward. But in case if altcoins like Ethereum and Bitcoin do start pumping even more, then it's going to be no surprise that NFT floor prices will continue to drop. So at this point, I kind of want, I guess the best case scenario at this point is I kind of want Bitcoin and Ethereum just to be basically trading in this range of this sideways action, just basically around 39,000 to like 43,000, just in that range. And then hopefully, because NFTs do well when there's not much volatility in the crypto space, right? So if Ethereum is stable at around, 2,700 to 3,000, just in that price range, then that'll allow NFTs to start moving up in floor price again. So, but you can also play it both ways where you can take some profits on NFTs and then put them into altcoins to get ready for, who knows, for the altcoin season to come. But altcoin season, who knows? It could be around the corner, and sometimes you got to position yourselves just in case if that happens, all right? So you can have 1 foot into NFTs and 1 foot into altcoins. Again, not financial advice, but that is something I'm positioning myself moving forward, is just taking some profits off of NFTs, putting them to altcoins in case if we have an altcoin run. Anyways, guys, I will leave the video at that. If you guys like the video, like the video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.